Hey, it's Ryan with Parts Doctor, and today I'm going to show you how to replace the shelf on the Samsung refrigerator. You'll need a Phillips screwdriver. Let's get started. To remove the shelf, you'll first need to unlink them by pushing up on one of the two shelves. Next, support the bottom of the shelf and remove the two Phillips screws. Now, fold the shelf up. Next, grab the shelf near the hinges, pivot the top down, and lift out to remove. If you have a bad shelf and you need to purchase a new one, you can check out our website, partsdoctor.com. We'll leave a link in the description below. You want to make sure that you're searching with the model number from the tag on your refrigerator to make sure you get the correct part. To install the shelf, first align the bottom tabs, then push the hinges to lock in the top tabs. Now, carefully fold the shelf down while applying pressure to keep the hinges in place. Now, reinstall the two Phillips screws. Finally, re-link the shelves by aligning the tabs and snapping back together. So that's it for this video. If you have any tips or tricks of your own, let us know in the comments below. And if you like fixing things, please consider subscribing.